Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stack of pumpkins with polymer clay. And I start off with my orange Sculpey. I make 3 balls. Each one gets a little smaller. The bottom one's bigger, then middle one is smaller, and then the one on top is even smaller. I push a toothpick into the top 2 or the bottom 2, and then I stack them. Before I stack them, as you can see, I've made the little indents or creases in the pumpkin. And as I said yesterday, I'm still trying to get the knack of videotaping. When I tape it with my phone, it always comes out like chopped in half or something. But I'm gonna experiment tomorrow. So I make 2 little teardrops of green, and I put them on top of the pumpkin, and I crease them, make a little dent, and make little veins going through the leaf. Sculpey 3 is really soft clay, so when you use it, your project goes faster. I would not suggest it for jewelry, but for little figurines, it's perfect. So I make a little circle, and flatten it, and put it on top of the pumpkins. Push a toothpick through it, and then I make a cone. And that's going to be the little pumpkin's hat. And then I make a little curve on the top. So now I'm going to add the pumpkin's eyes, and making, I guess I would call them droopy circles, ovals. And I add a set to each pumpkin, and I try to make them the same size. My style has never been perfect. I always had kind of a, I don't know, whimsy look. I know some people who their stuff is so perfect, but I just never could master that, which is fine. I'm not saying one is better than the other. Now I'm going to make, you can't see me doing it yet, but I'm making little orange tubes, and I'm going to put those, oh no, I'm making noses. That's what I'm doing. So I make these little balls and little floppy noses, and you can do them however you want. You can make all circles, you can make little floppy noses, mix them up like I just did. Gently push them onto the pumpkin. Then you take your toothpick and you push a little bead, a little black bead in for the eyes. When I push the bead in, I try and twist the toothpick just a tad so I won't pull the bead back out when I take the toothpick out. Now I'm making the little tubes, and these are kind of like the eyebrows, or the eyelids rather. So that pumpkin on top looks kind of mean, and it's all the way you put the orange lid on. And the one in the middle looks kind of sad. And the one on the bottom kind of looks scared. Take your toothpick and make little creases. It gives it a little bit of character, plus it always holds the clay into place. Now I'm going to take some yellow and I'm going to make a little circle and put it on the witch's hat. And also I'm using a straw and making little smiles, and I'm going to show in a separate video the things you can use that are around the house and use them as like tools for your clay characters and projects that you do. I take black wire and I wrap it around a toothpick, and that's the vine that you find on the pumpkin. You could use green, brown, whatever. I just happen to use black. And you're probably tired of me apologizing, but I feel kind of inept right now with... All right, there's our little pumpkin stack. I'm adding some more creases. And there he is. And thanks for watching.